In today's video, you will learn how to add handheld shake in Capcut. To get started, bring in the video clip that you want to enhance with a handheld shake effect. This is the footage that will carry the motion. So choose something where a bit of movement will actually add energy or realism. Handheld shake is commonly used to make scenes feel more dynamic, like action shots, travel clips, or even casual vlog-style footage. Once your video is in place on the timeline, you are ready to move into the Effects section. At the top of the interface, locate and click on the Effects tab. This is where Capcut stores a wide range of visual effects that can completely change the look and feel of your video. Effects are organized into categories, but instead of browsing manually, you can save time by using the search function. This is especially helpful when you already know the exact effect you want to apply. In the search bar, type in handheld shake. As you type, Capcut will begin filtering the results to show relevant effects. Look for the one labeled handheld shake, which is designed to simulate the natural, slightly unstable movement you would get from filming with a handheld camera. This effect works by adding subtle motion and vibration to your clip, making it feel less static and more immersive. Once you find the effect, click the plus sign to add it. The effect will immediately be applied to your clip on the timeline. From here, you can preview how it looks and decide if the intensity fits your footage. If the shake feels too strong or too subtle, you can adjust its duration by dragging the effect layer to match your clip length, or trim it to apply only to specific sections. A useful tip is to avoid overusing this effect. While handheld shake can make your video more engaging, too much movement can become distracting or even uncomfortable to watch. Try to match the intensity of the shake with the mood of your scene. For example, a light shake works well for casual moments, while a stronger shake can emphasize action or tension. And that's how you quickly add a handheld shake effect in Capcut to give your videos a more dynamic and professional feel.